Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join a meeting in Microsoft Teams automatically. The first thing I want you to do is actually go to the Teams website. Make sure you're logged in. As you can see, I'm already logged in. And if you have gotten an invite, okay, to that meeting, so you'll see it in your calendar. On the left-hand panel, click on Calendar. And here, within your calendar, you'll see the meeting. So you click on that meeting and you just automatically join it. You just click on Join and you will be able to join that meeting. Let me turn off my camera and then you just join the meeting, right? As you can see, the meeting has even started. We're waiting for the people to join. Right now, we can go ahead and leave this. And what you can do is you can also create a scheduled task if you want to join yourself at a certain time. Just search up right here for task scheduler, okay? And then you go ahead and create a new task, right? Name it anything you want. And for the location, I want you to go ahead and paste in this link, okay? You just paste the link in, add a little description to save it, and on that time, right, you create a trigger where basically on that specific time, it will automatically open up that link for you. So this link right here for the meeting, okay? You just go ahead and click here. You just right click, copy that meeting link, okay? Or you can just come here, click here, and copy it from here as well. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.